Okay guys, welcome back to the Hungry Popper. I'm the Hungry Popper, and I just want to do a real quick one, real easy one. Now back in the late 70s, I think this started. Of course, in like 78, my nephew Jim was born, and I remember I was in 78, let's see, I was 11, and I remember being there with my folks. We were there to visit just prior to the baby being born. And anyway, a big thing at the time back then was onion soup burgers. Now, I'm not following the recipe on the back of the box. Pound a hamburger. And let's just put it in the bowl. We're going to put it in the bowl, and it don't need to be neat because we're going to get in there and mix it up. So there's our pound of 85.15. You know me, I like to buy 85.15, especially for grilling. But I just basically, they didn't say any different, and I paid $6, so I'm pretty sure we're going to say it's a pound of burgers. So this is Lipton onion soup mix. So you can either make, I guess you can make dip with this, or we're going to make onion soup burgers right now to go along with that potato salad. I got the grill out there warming up. So it's just open the packet and dump it in there, and we need, I'm going to say, a cup of water. Let's just do it this way. And get in there and mix it up. Smells really good. Boy, that meat sucked up that water too, I'm telling you. Yep. So it's a pound of burger, an envelope of Lipton onion soup mix. If I can keep my tongue from getting tunneled around my teeth. So there's that. Let me get this off here. There's that. So now this would be great meatloaf, guys. And also, I need to ask her about it, but there was a lady I knew up in North Dakota that had a recipe for roast done with onion soup mix too. That was back in the 80s. Connie. I don't know if she doesn't know about the channel, but if she knew about it, I bet she would watch. She's a nice lady. I haven't seen her for years and years. There's that. These aren't going to be huge, and that's okay. And that is okay. Look at that. So, but I promise you, they do come out juicy and flavorful. There's that. Now, I don't have a burger press. I've actually been meaning to get one, but I don't even know where to get one right now. Probably online, obviously probably online somewhere. But hamburgers is not something I eat a lot of these days. But so do you remember or know of anything of pop culture at the time in like late 1970s, 78, 79, 80s? Yeah, I think the show Dallas started, I think. Somebody could correct me if I'm wrong, put a comment down below. I think it was 79. Could be 78. but at one time I owned the entire series on DVD, and I've watched that series over and over again 3 or 4 times. So I pretty much know it by heart, back to back. And I will say in 07, 08, we had tickets to go to South Fork Ranch at Plano, Texas for a Ewing barbecue. And that was fun. We got to meet all the stars from Dallas and even sat with some of the producers, and I got to put my 2 cents worth in on the new Dallas show that came out on TNT there for a while. It only ran a couple, 2 or 3 seasons, I think, but that was interesting. And he asked me, he says, well, what would the premise of the show be? I said, well, I'll tell you what, you get some beautiful women, get boys, the guys drove for a while, and they're sibling rivalry. You got a show, that's all there is to it. So there you go. So I'll be right back, and I'm gonna go check the grill and see if it's ready. Throw these burgers on. I'll be right back with you. So yeah, guys, this recipe is a blast from the past. So I don't remember it very well, but we're going to give it a shot. Yeah. Well, them's done. Welcome back. Thank you for hanging around, for stopping back in. So I don't have buns for the hamburgers. I forgot all about that, but I don't need one. So I got some potato salad and the hamburger. Let me just grab a dab of ketchup here. Let's do it this way. And get a fork. Okay, so here we are. Here's the burger, and let's just cut into that bad boy. And looks like we got us some good juice going there. Oh yeah. That's pretty good. Now honestly, I don't remember these from before, but they're pretty good. Potato salad's good, and you can definitely taste the ingredients in that potato salad. It's very good. Yum, yum. Yeah. So without further ado, I appreciate you watching the videos. I appreciate you subscribing and liking, commenting, all that stuff. So I appreciate you so much. And thanks for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. See you later. Bye-bye.